So बच्चे next topic is significance or importance of financial analysis. At present, the analysis of financial statement has become a general interest. Various parties have become interested in the financial statements of a company due to various reasons. Different persons look at the same financial statement from different angles. There are different users of financial statements, all of them using the same statement but for different purpose. Financial statement analysis is serving differently to different people. First, it is very important for management. Management wants to do a deep study of financial statement, and deep study of financial statement is called financial analysis. Management of a firm is always interested in the solvency, profitability and capital structure of the firm. They want to make sure that the business must be in a solvent position to pay the debts as and when they fall due. Similarly, they are interested not only in the current year's profit but also in the capacity of the business to earn more profits in future. So firstly, bache management is very much interested in the financial analysis. Financial analysis is very important for management. Second, it is very important for investors. Those who want to invest money in any of the company, now they will do a deep study of financial statements of that company just to make sure that their return will be appropriate and their investment will be safe. So investors and shareholders of the business are interested in the longevity of the business enterprise, and therefore they want to know the earning capacity of the business and its prospects for future growth and prosperity. Analysis of financial statement of a company helps them a great deal in assessing the capacity of the business to pay dividend at a higher rate and also the safety of their investment. They just want dividend at higher rate and safety of their investment. And before investing in any company, they will do a financial analysis of that company. So financial analysis is very important for management, for investors and for creditors. Creditors are of two types, short term and long term. Short time creditors and long term creditors. Short term creditor wants to know the liquidity of the business, ki whether they have to give to you credit basis or not. They have to do transaction with you on credit basis or not. And long term creditor wants to know the that they are you are capable to pay the interest and their debt is safe. Their money is safe. So management, investors and creditors, before doing selling you on credit and giving you the credit, they will do a financial analysis. Financial analysis is important for management, investors and creditors and some other parties. Significance for government. Government can judge on the basis of analysis of financial statement which industry is progressing on the desired lines and which industry needs financial help. You know, government is making 5-year plans every year. 5-year plan in the beginning of the government and every year 1-year plan they are making. And just they are making their plan according to the data of different companies. They have to analyze the financial statements, then they will think about the subsidy to be granted to any company or not. Any industry is weak or any industry is good, they can pay heavy tax. So government takes decision and make the budget of every year on the basis of financial statement analysis. Then financial statement analysis is important for financial institutions. If you go to ask loan from bank, insurance company, other institutions, then they will measure your profit earning capacity, that you will pay the debt on time or not, you are able to pay or not. Then they will give you the loan according to that. Significance for employees. Analysis of financial statement helps the employees in determining the profitability of the business enterprise. They can ascertain as to how much bonus and increase in their wages is possible. If you are doing good business, bache, they will expect a hike in the salaries. And on the contrary, if you are not doing good, they will search another job in another company. They will also analyze your financial statements. Then significance for stock exchange authorities. They analyze the financial statements of a company to determine its price earning ratio and earning per share. With the help of such analysis, the market price of companies' shares are determined. Every day the market price of share is changed. With the help of analysis, they decide the price of shares. Then significance for tax authorities. Obviously, they want to check whether you are paying correct tax or not. They analyze the financial statement of company to know whether the financial statements have been prepared in accordance with the legal provision and whether the figure of production, sales, profits are correct or not. Whether you have paid proper GST income tax or not. Then significance for researchers, Bache. Analysis of financial statement of a company is of much importance to researchers who is conducting research in respect of the profitability and efficiency. Anything they want to check, they can check from analysis. And there are a lot of other parties, economists, trade associations, consumer organizations, those who want to analyze the financial statements of any company. So this was the significance, bache, ki for what purpose the analysis is important. Last topic is limitations of financial statement analysis. First is limitation of financial statements. Financial analysis is based on financial statement, but financial statement themselves suffers from certain limitations. Hence, the limitations of financial statement are also the limitations of their analysis. For example, sometimes the information given in the financial statement are incomplete and unauthentic. Beta, if your financial statements are suffering from certain drawbacks, then analysis will also be not correct because it based on financial statement, and if financial statements are incorrect, analysis will also be incorrect. Affected by window dressing. What is window dressing? Window dressing means manipulation in the accounts. If you want to take loan, you will show more profits, but if you want to give tax, you will show less profit. So whatever the manipulations you are doing, that is called window dressing. So some firm resort to window dressing their financial statement to cover up their bad financial position on the eve of accounting date. For example, they may not record the purchase made at the end of the year or may overvalue their closing stock. By doing any misdeed, they can make their accounts wrong. And if their accounts are wrong, their analysis will be wrong. Do not reflect the changes in price level. Suppose bache, the last year sale was 10 lakh and current year sale is 15 lakh. But the selling price last year was rupees 100, now rupees 150. Means 50% increase in the selling price of same product. This is showing that there is an increase in the sale of rupees 5 lakh. Your sale is increased. But they are not telling this thing that the price level is changed. The price was earlier 100 rupees, now the price is 150. That is why the sale is more. But in actual terms, the sale is same. The products are sold same. Quantity is same, but the price has changed. So these type of accounts are not showing the price level differences. Different accounting policies, different firms are adopting different policies, and according to that, analysis can be wrong. If two firms adopt different accounting policies, then comparison between the two will be unreliable. For example, one firm may provide depreciation on original cost method, whereas other firm can follow written down value method. So their analysis will not be reliable. Effect of personal ability and bias of the analyst. If your person who is analyzing the financial statement is called analyst, if he is biased, knowingly he is drawing wrong conclusions, then no use of this analysis. Difficulty in forecasting. Financial statements are a record of past events and historical facts. In the fast changing and developing modern business, the analysis of past information may not be of much use because there will be some change in future. So it's not good to base the forecast on the past basis. Lack of qualitative analysis. Financial statements record only those events which are expressed in terms of money. Qualitative aspects are omitted to be recorded in the books. So they cannot express the monetary because they cannot express in terms of monetary. So they represent only quantitative information, not the qualitative information. Last बच्चे, there is limited use of single year analysis. When we are doing common size, it's of no use. Result obtained from financial analysis assuming significance only when compared with the figures of previous period or another companies. If you are doing comparative statement, that is of use, but if you are doing common size, that is of not much use. Okay, so bache, maximum 6 questions can be asked. 3 or 4 marks question can come. Maybe it is the main question, or maybe in choice it can come in choice also. 3 or max question. First question bache, meaning and features of financial statement analysis. Then meaning and types of financial statement analysis. 2 questions from this page. Then bache, what are the main purpose and objectives of financial analysis? Third question is the main objectives and purpose of financial analysis. Fourth question is the main uses of financial analysis, where it is used. In taking a lot of decisions, it is used. Fourth question is the main uses. Then fifth question is bache, significance or importance of financial analysis, for whom it is important. And last bache question is limitations of financial statement analysis. Max to max 3 or 4 marks question can come. It may come in the choice also.